Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and I'm back with a new drawing video. Today with a different anime. I read a lot of comments about drawing something from Fullmetal Alchemist, so I decided to draw Edward and Alphonse in the dark split drawing style which I did with Naruto and Goku before. You guys really love this drawing style and I really enjoy drawing like this. So here we go. Let's check out the full drawing process together and I will talk to you at the end of this video again. So guys, let's touch and then we can take a look at the final result. The black marker is dead, but it was worth it. I think the drawing turned out really good. I have to admit that I never watched this anime, not even an episode, and I never drew something from this anime. But the art style fit me very well and I really had an easy time drawing this. As you saw, I did many layers with the black marker to cover everything well and evenly. So this was a little time consuming, but it was fun and the result is very good. The original drawing is also available on my Etsy shop right now guys. Only this original drawing, no prints. So if you want to support me, check out my shop and get yourself some drawings from your artist, Tolg. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, share it and comment your opinion down below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, check out the description box for all the information and links to all my accounts. Thank you for watching guys and I'll see you on the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay fit, be a good person, be you, and always remember, you are the designer of your own life.